This is Paul Wett with WettTraderLLC.com, and I believe everyone should have the ability to identify lower risk, higher probability trades with a click of the mouse with a software that is easy to use and totally user-friendly. So, today, for the weekly forecast, week ending September 9th, I'm going to show you a nice pattern that you'll be able to see and to trade with WettTraderLLC.com. Make sense? Okay, let's get started. The pattern I'm talking about, folks, is the triangle. You see these triangles on every time frame. That's the 240. This is the 60-minute. Same triangle. Now, this is a symmetrical triangle. The thing I like about the symmetrical triangle, folks, is this. You can identify by this low here and the high up here exactly how far this triangle is going to go. We have 83.75 here. We have 71 here. That's about 12 points. So, folks, what that means is that we have a high probability that this market is going to break out 12 points. So if we break out this side, we're going to 94-ish. If we break out the bottom side, 12 points, we're going to 60, 64, 65-ish. Okay? So that's two great things, folks, and let me tell you why. Number one, you know what your objective is. And number two, you have a 75% chance on these symmetrical triangles that they break out in the direction of the trend. And a 25% chance that it goes opposite the trend. So what does that mean for you? We're here with WettTraderLLC.com, folks. It will buy the triangles. Why will it buy the triangles? It's a trend following system, folks. The trend is your friend. So on any time frame, this is the 20-minute, folks. I'm going to draw this line here. If these moving averages are up, it's gonna buy. Now, if we come back down here, in this area here, and we break out of the triangle, and sometimes we'll break out, and then retest, and then go to the objective. If our moving averages are crossed here, this is the area where Wett Trader is going to buy or sell in this particular instance. The best thing to do is try to get in on the inside of the triangle, which is very easy to do. Just point and click. Now, what else do you want to know about the market? Well, I'll tell you a couple things, folks. Using WettTraderLLC.com, I also know that we have a significant low here. It was on a trade day. It was confirmed by making a higher high. And I know we had the holiday yesterday, and these 2 days will be combined. We have a PP at 78.75. This would be a low risk, higher probability. We also have a higher probability that we're going to break out. Now, if we're going to break out, folks, we're going to break out to the next set of numbers. Same thing with the PP on the weekly. 73. We've already hit 75. 72.50 is the PP. R1 is 90. Look at the monthly. R1 is 91 and a quarter. So technically, folks, this is giving me a very close indicator that we're looking for a high, and we're trying to dial in the numbers, and they're really dialing in really close. When these numbers get plus or minus 3 ticks from your weekly and monthly, we get near those numbers. That's a good possibility. The other good possibility is we could go to R2, which would be another resistance area. So technically our objective is between R1 and R2. You see we're trying to pound out a weekly high. This is not going to confirm a sell till we break that low. So with WettTraderLLC.com, you can take advantage of all the symmetrical triangles. So if you want to learn how to trade, I recommend you try the 14-day free demo. It's point and click, user friendly at www.WettTraderLLC.com.